Forgotten username recovery failed on HSBC Fix. If you've tried to recover your HSBC username and keep getting an error, you're not alone. Many people face this issue, and the surprising truth is it's often not the system's fault but a small mismatch in your information. Let's go over how to fix it step by step. First, visit the official HSBC login page and click on Forgot Your Username. You'll be asked to enter your social security number, your account number, and sometimes your email address or date of birth. Make sure every detail matches exactly what's on your account. Even one incorrect digit or an old email can cause the recovery to fail. If you recently changed your phone number, email, or even your legal name, that might be what's confusing the system. Try entering your old details, the ones you used when you first opened the account. The system verifies against the original data it has stored. Still not getting the recovery email? Check your spam or junk folder for a message from HSBC Bank. Their emails sometimes get filtered out by security settings. If nothing shows up after 10 minutes, go and retry right away. Multiple failed recovery attempts can temporarily lock your access for security reasons. You can also try using a different browser or clearing your cache before repeating the process. A site can store old login data that interferes with recovery attempts. If none of these steps work, it's time to contact HSBC customer service directly at 1-800-975-4722. They can verify your identity over the phone and safely reset your username for you. Once you regain access, update your profile details, especially your email and phone numbers, so you'll have an easier time if you ever forget your username again. So, if your HSBC username recovery keeps failing, remember it's not a dead end. Follow these steps carefully. Double check your information and you'll get back into your account in no time.